In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter and sort data in Google Sheets. Filtering and sorting help you see exactly what matters in your spreadsheet without changing your underlying data. Let's start by opening your Google Sheets document and selecting the range you want to work with. Make sure your selection includes the header row, the labels at the top of each column, so the tools know how to organize the data. A quick tip: click the first cell of your table, then hold Shift and click the last cell to select everything in between. Next, go to the Data menu in the top toolbar and choose Create a Filter. As soon as you do, small filter icons will appear in the header row of the range you selected. These are your controls. If you don't see them, double-check that your selection was correct and that your header row is included. To filter, click the filter icon in the column you want to narrow down. You'll see options to select or deselect specific values, search for an item, or use conditions like text contains, number is greater than, or date is before. Choose the criteria that best matches what you want to see. For example, if you only want rows where the status is complete, keep that value checked and uncheck the others. Your sheet will instantly hide any rows that don't match without deleting anything. To sort, use that same filter icon on the column you want to order. Select Sort AZ for ascending. Text goes alphabetically, numbers go from smallest to largest, and dates go from oldest to newest. Choose Sort. ZA for the reverse. Sorting on one column won't break your rows. Everything stays aligned as the data moves together. You can repeat filtering or sorting on other columns as needed. Layering filters across multiple columns is a great way to drill down to a very specific set of rows. Just remember that each additional filter narrows your results further. If something disappears that you expected to see, it might be filtered out by another column. You can clear a column's filter by opening its filter menu and selecting all values again. When you're done, turn off the filter to bring everything back. Go to the Data menu and choose Remove Filter. The filter icons will disappear, and all rows will reappear exactly as they were. That's it. With these simple steps, select your range, create a filter, apply filters or sorts by column, and turn the filter off when finished. You'll keep your sheets organized and focused in just a few clicks.